Good morning, everyone. How are you, children? Okay. Today, I already yesterday I told this topic, children, but today also once again I explain for you. Okay, we go for that. Okay, Nama? Yeah. Earth grid. The latitudes and the longitudes are imaginary lines which form a network on the globe. Both the lines intersect each other at right angle and form the grid. The latitudes and the longitudes are imaginary lines on the globe, okay, which form a network on the globe. Both the lines intersect each other at a right angle, and form the grid. So this place is called a grid. Okay, Nama? Yeah. We can locate any place on the earth with the help of this grid. For example, if we know the latitude and the longitude of Mumbai, we can find the location of Mumbai on the map or globe. It easy. When we know that latitude and longitude of that location, it find out on the globe. It is very easy. The latitude of Mumbai is 19 degrees in north and it is longitude is 73 degrees in east. So we know that Mumbai of latitude and longitude. So latitude is 90 degrees in north, longitude is 73 degrees of east. We know that one first of all. Okay, as now we want the location on the globe. Okay, very good. The location of the Mumbai will be at the point where we the parallel of 90 degrees north and that meridian of that 73 degrees in east intersect each other. Okay, here is that this is the north side and this is the east side. As Mumbai the latitude is 19 degrees and that longitude is 73 degrees in east side. So when we both intersect on one place, for example, this is the place. Just you imagine this one, children. It's not perfectly not. Okay, just you imagine. So this is the 19 degrees of north and 73 degrees of east. This is, for example, I am saying here. Okay, now, yeah. This is the now this intersect place. This place is now we call the location of Mumbai. So this place is now we call location of Mumbai. Okay. So these lines are called latitudes and these lines are called longitudes. Okay, na? Yeah. Longitudes help us to calculate the time of a particular place. These longitudes calculate the particular time of place. Okay. How we are using these longitudes means these longitudes calculate the particular time of the place. Okay, yeah, the time interval between in any two lines, that is the two longitudes, is 4 minutes. Every two longitudes in between have that how much of time, children? 4 minutes time. How much of time here? Every two longitudes in between the how much of time? 4 minutes time. So these longitudes used for that calculate the particular time of the place in which city have that a time. We know that exactly we know that time we are using for this longitudes. We know the time. Okay. Next. The international dateline. In 1884, an international conference was held in Washington, D.C. In 1884, in which year conducted international conference, children? In 1884, where conducted? In Washington. It was called that International Meridian Conference. So this conference we called International Meridian Conference. It designed the 180th meridian as the international dateline. So on the globe, how many meridians we have, children, totally on the globe? 360 meridians we have on the globe. Okay. 360 meridians we have on the globe. But what have on that 180th meridian? 180th meridian. So that one is we called international dateline. So here they are showing, see children, what have in the color of this. So this line is we called international meridian. 180th line we called international meridian line. So if we cross the date line, from west to east, if we cross the date line from west to east, the day is increased. Okay. For example, that is if it is Monday on the American side. For example, we are taking that America now is the west side. Okay. So here American side, which is it is in the west side, it will be Tuesday in the Asiatic side. It will be Tuesday on Asiatic side. Okay, in our India. Okay. On America, in America that day is Monday. It will be in India, the day is Tuesday. Here what happened, children? When we went to that west to east side, the day is increased. So we are taking that back, means when we went to the east to west. So we taking this example only. In that east side, in our India is in a Tuesday. Okay. And that opposite side we have the America, west side. So now which day today we have in India? Tuesday. But the American side, Monday. Here what happened, children? When we go to that east to west side, the day will be decreased. The day will be decreased. When we went to the west to east side, the day will be increased. When we went to east to west, the day will be decreased. Are you understand, ma? Yeah. In the same way, if we cross the date line from east to west, a day is lessened. That means decreased. We have to correct dates when we cross the international date lines. So that's why when we cross these international date lines, we know the correct dates. So that's why this is the we called this 180th line, we call the international date line. Okay, ma? Yeah, once again I repeat for you. In 1884, an international conference was held in the Washington DC. It was called the International Meridian Conference. It designed that 180th meridian. That one is we called international date line. If we cross the date line from west to east, a day is added. Okay, that is if is Monday on the American side, that one is the west side, which is in the west side. It will be Tuesday on the Asiatic side, which is in that east. Okay, In the same way, if we cross the date line from the east to west, the day will be lessened. Okay, that means decreased. We have to correct dates when we cross the international date line. In that time, we know that correct date line when we cross the international date line. So this is our lesson for today, children. Okay, I hope you are all understand. If not understand, you please again and again listen the lesson, children, then you will be understand that. Okay, Nama? Yes. Okay, thank you, children.